What's up everyone, this is Karan here back with another video. Welcome to Tech Karan YouTube channel. MIUI Mix 12, which is based on MIUI 12 20.6.11 beta version, is released as a weekly update for most of the devices. For Redmi Note 8 it's not officially available, but we can use ported ROMs. So this one is also ported by me. This is a weekly beta, so there are not a lot of changes. Some little bit of changes are there. I'll show you everything in this video, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started right now. Okay, so as always, home screen same look like the default theme, as you already know about that. This is the default theme. If we talk about the theme store, there are only one other theme available, which is Limitless, as you can see, which quite complicated, but you can use right now. It's looking good. And if we talk about other themes, I've installed this theme and 11 looks pretty much impressive. This theme is available on the theme store. You can download directly. Just go and apply this and it will be applied successfully. And you will see your home screen look like this. All the icons from Android Pie. The widget looks pretty much impressive. Everything is in Chinese because the theme is in Chinese, but that doesn't matter. Your icons look pretty much impressive. Your navigation keys looks also pretty much good. Your status bar icons look nice. Your Wi-Fi icon, mobile data, battery, and everything looks same. If you talk about the control center, little bit themed icons are there, and the shape of the icons are also changed. These things are available here. All the main things are available, like dark mode, battery saver, and floating windows, etc. Everything is perfectly fine. When you go here, you can launch the floating windows. As you can see, when you click on floating windows, you have the option to choose whichever app you want to use as a floating window. These options are available in the almost all builds. If we talk about in MIUI 12, MIUI Mix does not have that much customization options like a stock build, but without having any ads. After applying the theme, you can see your settings may be changed like this. And one major thing which I have noticed in this build is this one. Wait, just let me show you. In lock screen, here you have the option of choosing the charging animation. This is quite a new thing. Charging animation, you have three animations actually: flow, glow, and wave. So just let me just show you by using the off option. Just wait and let me connect my charging cable here, and you can see there is no animation at all if we choose the no option. But if we choose the other option, just let me try now. When you choose the flow option, how this will feel like. This is how it feels. Your stock fields look like the charging animation. This is the stock field. If we talk about the other animations, okay, so we'll choose the glow one. So just disable it again and now choose it. This is how it looks. This is the glow one, and let me just show you the last one. The last one is pretty much cool, and I'll choose this one, wave, which looks impressive. And this is how it looks. It looks pretty much impressive. If you compare all of them, this looks pretty much impressive. I'm using this from some time and this looks pretty much great. This is the new thing which I also liked about this build. All other things are almost same, like wallpaper carousel, side panel shortcuts, and all other things. In display, you get the system font option, control center options, where you can switch the control center side. This is a very cool feature in MIUI 12 modded ROMs. By default, your control center will be down from the right side, but you can use the switch control center side option and your control center will be open from the left side. That is quite impressive. But naturally I use this thing for this side for opening the control center, so that's why I use this feature, and I personally like this feature too. All other things are same here. Notification, home screen. When you go to home screen, you have all options, and here you gotta have the option of home screen search bar, and you can also choose a -1 screen to Google Discover, App World, or none, whichever you like. You can choose that one. And this one is another cool thing, home screen with classic or with app drawer. You have the option of choosing the app drawer, so the both things are looking cool. The animated app drawer option, just click on OK, and here you have the option of app drawer settings, like where you can choose the app categories, background, scroll bar, and place new apps on the home screen. Looks impressive, and all the things are same. Global icon animations options are available. You can disable these things to remove animations, and if you want good performance, what you have to do is just go to my device once, go to all specs. Here you have to click on MIUI version 7 times. You are now a developer. As you can see, just go back and go to additional settings. Here you can go to developer options. Here you have the option of choosing the animations. Here it is. You can choose the Windows animation scale to 0.5x, transition animation scale to 0.5x, and animator duration scale to 0.5x. All these things at 0.5x, and your device performance will be changed, will be cool. These are the things you get here, and as you can see, screen is dimmed because we have a low battery. This is a setting option also available here. So these are the cool things which you get here, and this is the theme. I think there are a lot of things available. Just go and try it out. This was all from today's video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Have a nice day.